I'm Lawrence, and today my presentation is going to be on the African penguin, or also known as its scientific name, the Spheniscus demersus. The African penguin is called the African penguin because it's located on the African coast. They're also called the jackass penguin, and they're closely related to the Humboldt and Magellanic penguin. Here's a picture of a map on where they're located. They're located right here on the coast, on the African coast. Here is a picture of what they generally look like. The African penguin grows between 60 to 70 centimeters tall, and their weight between 2.2 and 3.5 kilograms. Males are larger than females, and they have larger beaks. Here's a comparison. The one on the right has a larger beak, therefore it's the male, compared to the female on the left. And they have a pink line over their eyes, right here. Uh, the front of the penguins are white, and the back is black. They have the throat and chest area have one or two black bands right here and several black spots right here. This feature is closely related to the Magellanic penguin, and they're also like human fingerprints because each penguin's band and black spots are different. Their specific colorway, the back is black and the front is white, is called counter shading. It's a type of camouflage. So when prey is under them, when they look up, it's white, and it looks like they're looking up into the sun, and the back is black because when prey look from the top, it looks like they're just looking on the ocean floor. Here's a picture of the digestive system of the penguin. They have a complete digestive tract. They don't have a crop compared to birds. Right here, you can see, and they don't have one. They have a long esophagus because the stomach is located in the body. It's generally between the knees. The stomach is a big muscular bag. They don't have teeth, which means the food goes directly to the stomach and gets digested by the enzymes. And they have a big bag so that they can regurgitate it later to feed the young, or it just goes down to the intestine and through the cloaca, which is kind of like our anus. Here's a video of African penguins feeding the young. You can see that the regurgitation, they have a big stomach so that they can regurgitate and feed their young. Here's a diagram of the circular system of a penguin. They have a closed circular system. The pink line over their eyes is to control the temperature of penguins. The hotter the penguin gets, more blood goes into these glands, making it pinker, and allows the surroundings to cool down. Arctic penguins have bigger feet and better circulation in their feet, so that they are able to cut off the circulation when it gets too cold, so they don't lose their feet. That's kind of similar to us as humans, how when our hands get cold or our feet, they turn white. And the reproductive system of a penguin. Penguins are generally monogamous. The males press against the females to transfer sperm, just like they have sperm and eggs. Two eggs are laid and incubated for 40 days. Like most birds, penguins don't have penises. Both male and female reproductive organs are in the cloaca, and males and males press against the females to transfer sperm. The cloaca is kind of like where they dispose of their waste, and the reproductive organs are also located in there. Here's a video of how they mate. The nervous system of a penguin is similar to humans and other birds and animals. The main parts are just brains, nerves, and spinal cord. Uh, because you can't find a diagram of a penguin's nervous system, here's one of a bird. Here you can see there's a brain and spinal cord, and this is a diagram of a bird's brain. Here you can see there's two optic lobes, and they're located on the far left and right. This is because birds' eyes are located farther apart, so they have a wider field of vision. And did you know the African penguin was believed to be the first penguin species to be discovered by humans? They get the name jackass from the loud call they make that also sounds like a donkey. And since 1900s, 95% of them have disappeared and they're considered endangered. Here's a video of why penguins are called the jackass penguin. And here's my bibliography. Thank you for listening.